What's going on, YouTube? You're watching Exquisitemad. Be sure to like and subscribe and remember to hit that bell. Today, we're going to be looking at how to check your tire tread depth to make sure that you have enough tire tread to safely drive on the roads and operate your vehicle. So, first thing that you're gonna need, this is that anybody could do, gonna grab a quarter, okay? Now, you're gonna look at George Washington's head. Now, see the top of his head? Okay, keep that in mind. You're gonna take the quarter, you're gonna turn it upside down, like this. Recommended DOT standards state that you need at least 4/32 of an inch to safely operate your vehicle with those tires. So, you know, to use those tires. So the way that you're gonna check this is, gonna come down here and you're gonna take George Washington, you're gonna put him down in your tire tread like so. If you cannot see the top of his head, because he's upside down, if you cannot see the top of his head like that, and he's pretty deep into the tire tread, then that means that you have a lot more than 4/32 of an inch. Now, if you're checking your tire tread depth, and let's say it's here, that means that you have roughly 4/32 of an inch left of your tires. If it's all the way up to here, you're bald. You have bald tires. You need to stop that vehicle. You need to find a tire place as soon as possible, and you need new tires. If it's down to the top of his head, you need new tires. You need to budget out whatever you need to do and buy new tires. So, rule of thumb, if it's higher than the top of his head, that means going down to his nose, closer to his nose than the top of his head. It almost covers up his entire forehead. Then that means that you have more than 4/32 of an inch. This means that you are good to go. So, and you can check both sides. And this is a good rule of thumb, that way you can see that there's even tire wear. So, but this is how to check tire tread depth. So, hope that this helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications just like this.